Right, you lovely lots. Are we ready? No one's listening to me.
Hello.
Trying to prep team talk.
Team talk, guys.
Team
talk.
Team talk.
Team talk.
So potatoes.
Okay.
Right, that's basically what we're
As fast.
There we go. Fast as you can. Right. Are we ready? Let's do this. Good morning. How are we doing, guys? Let's do this.
Yes, please.
Right. You
We
want
have cheesy beans.
same problem I had yesterday. Can I have a knife, please? Oh, there we go. So what was it?
Cheesy beans.
Cheesy beans. Oh, butter?
Yeah, salt and pepper as well.
Salt and pepper, no worries. Oh, do you mind me making a video?
No,
That's all right. That's sorted. Cheesy beans. Hey guys, how are we doing? You all right? First potato of the day, done.
And then a minced beef and cheese one.
Minced beef and cheese, butter.
Yeah, please.
Anything else, darling?
You guys going to the sweet shop as well?
Yeah.
Good on you.
That is our next stop.
Next stop, nice.
And then you wanted
Cheese
cheese.
and cold butter.
Butter?
Cheese, please, and salt and pepper.
And then one of your favourite ones, the last one.
Cheese curry crispy fried onions. Good man.
Yes, please.
Well, it might be the last day we have it for a while because it's can't get the curry.
Coleslaw.
It's been a long morning already.
Say that again.
Honestly, we were here at R5 this morning.
All on their own.
No, earlier than that.
Butter.
And cheese curry crispy fried onions. Salt and pepper.
Yeah, please.
That's full. Awesome. Anything else?
And a Diet Coke and an apple juice.
Diet Coke, apple juice. Sorted. Anything else, sir?
That's it, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Free. It's on me. That one's on me.
Have you got a chocolate box?
No, that one's on me. Honestly. Yeah. Do you need a bag for it?
Yeah, if you have got one, please. Got some?
Go for it, lad.
Told you to get your phone out ready.
Go for it. Just put it in selfie mode.
Something else. Activated.
Awesome. Cheers, guys. Have a great